Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an exciting tutorial how to design a water reflection scene. Create a stunning water reflection effect. Open your main object or subject image and also duplicate it and flip vertically. Place it beneath original for reflections and also add ripples or wave distortions. Now reduce opacity of lower image and apply gradient mask for smooth fade. Now add blue tint using hue saturation and also paint soft water ripples manually and add a soft glow above the surface. Use blur to soften edges and add small light reflections for realism. Darken corners with vignette. Increase contrast